What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So basically, I'm just preparing to go home, and in this clip I'm just packing my things because my room was in a mess. So I know you guys can't hear me, but I kind of like changed like the position of my room because why not? And this place is so cute. Oh my god.
Meanwhile, soon after.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're already an existing subscriber, thank you so much and welcome. So guys, we're done with first semester. And we're going home. And we're going home because
WARRI. We're tired. All that drink
this school is stress.
And it drained us all like fuck.
Guys, we're going for Christmas holiday.
Yeah.
We're tired.
Yeah.
This one just now be like we're more excited than I am.
I'm fucking excited. Like if you know what I've been through in that land,
like
EKP.
after my exam, I had to go home, get my load, but straight to train station. So right now, I'm in the train station, and yeah, we're waiting for the train to come. We'll see you guys when the train has come. Bye. Now he's talking to man, guys.
Hello, I'm talking to my man. Come and talk to him.
Leave me, Joe. Will I not vlog my vlog?
I want to take picture.
I should take a picture. So guys,
now what thing they do?
very hungry. Oh, I want to go and get something to eat. Why are you there? Yeah, let me take you picture. Sorry. But I'm so hungry and I'll go and get something to eat very soon.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, now you know me, I shower down always.
You know, sister, now I want to change. Before, if you know me, now la bulu, babu.
That's my father. Why are you insulting my father? I say around 10.
No, you can't quite insulting this father. What do you mama? So guys, this is what I got, and yeah, everything drink.
I need to change this card. I think this is where I pack load. I pack on my corporate. Yeah, when I say you go meet them, now me or so, this is so. Do you understand? No. I don't come inside now.
Yeah, go out. So guys, hello. See glow, Jesus. So guys, we're still waiting for the train.
I think it's already coming because they've opened the door.
Yeah, they've opened the door. Let me show you guys.
So we saw the door is open.
Yes.
We're going in a bit.
We're going in a bit, baby. No, you're not serious. But guys, see glow. It's not like as if I'm not even in this country.
Yeah, abroad, baby.
Yeah,
Abroad.
yeah, you know, Canada. So guys, we're in Canada.
Wait, tickets.
They're not very sure. Are they?
We're supposed to go in again.
We're in Canada.
As you can see,
Yeah.
going to New York City.
Yeah. I'm here.
Let me open it. That's how you go. Never.
Yeah, dance for me. Nothing wanna go do from it. Yeah. We're still waiting for the train as of right now. But they say it's coming. But we're outside.
And they're giving us our tickets. So I think we're going home, bitch.
Now, why are we here?
There's no cup.
No what? No space.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me. We know.
I'm tired.
I never see our comrade again.
I don't say, we shower you. We're not born. Finally, we have seen seats.
Finally.
Oh, thank you.
Thank God. The rest of the journey.
Yes, I'm going to enjoy it.
We should enjoy it. They don't even want like. Man, you're supposed to be charged first.
Come on, say, Mrs.
Much later.
Already, WARRI! You don't reach WARRI finally! God, like, Jesus, yes.
I'm looking weird.
Goblin. Finally, you have accepted this. Finally, we're heading home.
From yesterday to today.
I swear.